I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 14, natural resources. Now we have already started with this chapter. We talked natural resources a little on it. Okay. Today we are going to see about air, one of the big natural resources we have, right? Because of air we sustain, we are living around. Okay. But as what you know, day by day our air is getting polluted. It is getting polluted with a number of reasons. So we are going to see few of them. Now, last time what we was talked about, natural resources includes the land, the water, and the air. Okay, the outer surface of the earth is called lithosphere. The earth covered with water is called hydrosphere, and the blanket around the earth, it is in the form of atmosphere. And when combine all three, we call it as biosphere. Now, if you talk about, as what I said, the biotic and abiotic component, biotic components are the living and the abiotic components are non-living. Now the breath of life, right? We are living just because of air, right? Now what we are saying here is, we know, right, that air is a mixture of many gases, right? Air is a mixture of many gases, like what? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, right? It is a combination of so many gases. Right, let me show you here. So here, it is a combination of so many things, right? Just a second. I highlighted it wrongly. So now, as what I said, the air, uh, it has, it is a mixture of, it is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. There are many more mixtures. Okay, I'll tell you as what we go ahead. Okay. Now, my question to you is, now if you talk about other planets, do you think they have atmosphere somewhere the way we have here, right? The way we have our atmosphere, do you think they also have the atmosphere? Yes, might be, might not be. Okay, so if you talk about a Venus and a Mars, there is no life. Okay, now if you see the Venus and the Mars, where no life is known, still the major component of their atmosphere consisting carbon dioxide. So what is there in their atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. Now that constitute, their atmosphere constitute 95 to 97 percentage of only carbon dioxide. So do you think anything can survive in that carbon dioxide? I don't think so, right? Anything can survive? No. But we learn in a chapter 5 that eukaryotic, right, where the cell is properly in a prokaryotic cells, they need oxygen to break down glucose. So definitely such things needed oxygen to break down glucose and get energy for these activities. This result, right, when they break glucose, they will produce carbon dioxide. So this is how a carbon dioxide is produced. Another process of production of carbon dioxide is combustion. You know, we people used to have we used to fire wood or any other thing, or combustion of fuel, like the one happen in our cars and bikes. Even that produces carbon dioxide. Okay, burning of fuels or forest or energy producing carbon dioxide. Now beside this percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere, carbon dioxide is mixed in two ways, even also with the green plants, right? There's a green plants that convert carbon dioxide into glucose. Think a little, right? Carbon dioxide into glucose. Who do that? Green plants, right? So green plants, what they do? They convert carbon dioxide. So this is how the balance happen between us and the green plants. And the second thing is the marine animals. Yes, they also dissolve carbonates in seawater to make their shells. Think a little. So shells, even the shells are like this. Are you getting me? So the cells, they are making it with the help of carbon dioxide. So think a little. So carbon dioxide will be helpful in this way, and that is how a balance happen. Okay, so we are talking about this thing. Now, how does the atmosphere help in a climate control? Now, this is really important. Our life is only survived because of atmosphere. There are planets around whose, there are planets around there life is not possible even though they have a little reasonable amount of atmosphere over there, right? They have a reasonable amount of atmosphere, but the question is why it is not possible? Because of temperature difference. Yes, let me show you. You know, you must have heard about a greenhouse effect and all. Now what does that do? What does that do? In a greenhouse effect, what happens is during daytime the sunlight is providing light to the earth, so because of that the earth get heated. Now during night what happens is, in the night time what happens is, this sunlight, the sunlight, right, this get trapped inside. During night the earth get cool, so this light, this heat get evaporated, but our atmosphere conserve it, conserve that heat inside it. Okay, so our atmosphere conserve that heat and keep it warm during night also, and that is the reason we are survived. So understand very small thing here. Okay, so here we have talked of the atmosphere covering the earth like a blanket. We know air is a bad conductor of heat, right? Air do not carry heat with us, but the atmosphere keep the temperature of the earth during the day, even during the course of the whole year. Now what happens is, the atmosphere prevent the sudden increase in the temperature. Yes, the atmosphere controls the temperature. Second thing, during the night it slow down the escape of heat. So the earth will become warm during the night, right? Otherwise, our in our earth also what happens is, it will become very hot during the day and it will become ice during the night. But no, this will not happen, right? We all know that. Think a little. The moon is so near to us. Still, see the temperature difference. In the day, the temperature on the moon is 110 degrees Celsius. Do you really assume? Ever thought of? And during the night, what is the temperature? 100 minus 9 190 degree. Wow. Think about the difference. In the daytime, it is 110, and in the night, it is minus 190. Do you think you can survive? No way out. No way out. Okay. So think a little, right? Now, this is what they are talking. As we have seen, right? This would happen, and this is the reason we are living, because of this atmosphere on Earth, and we are survived. Think, we are killing this atmosphere day by day with a pollution, a very bad situation. Okay, so our natural resources are not getting conserved because of all these things. Okay, fine, that's it for the day. We are going to see more 2 pages next time. Put a little effort and read this and highlight what I am saying. Okay, till then, bye, take care, see you next time.